If you want to unlink your Amazon Prime Video account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Sign into Amazon. Go to the Amazon website and log into your account using your email and password associated with your Prime Video subscription. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the account and list menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Link Accounts. In the account settings, look for the Login and Security section. Click on it to view your linked accounts and connected services. Step 4. Find Facebook connection. Within the linked accounts or similar section, locate the option for Facebook. This will show you the accounts that are currently linked to your Amazon account. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Amazon Prime Video. Confirm the action when prompted to finalize the unlinking process. After completing these steps, your Amazon Prime Video account will no longer be connected to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section on Amazon's website for further assistance.